keeping up with our motto, let learning be a joy and teaching a pleasure. Here we
Students of Standard 4th. Today our subject is mathematics and topic is division. We are going to study the different method of division, that is using dots. Our sum is 20 divided by 5. In this, students, 5 is the divisor. In third standard we have studied that divisor, dividend, quotient, remainder and all. So 5 is the divisor. So the rule says whatever the digit is given in the divisor, that many dots should be there in one row. Let's see how to put. In first row, here you have to put 5 dots. Till 20 we will count and we will make the rows. Second rows, again 5 dots, that is total points are 15 and one more is needed, that is the last row 20. So 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5, 4 times 5. So here we can say first row has 5 dots, second row has 5 dots, third row also has 5 dots and fourth row also has 5 dots. Now all together we have made 4 rows. So we have to write 4 rows are formed, hence 20 divided by 5 is 4. It's very simple. Students, instead of divide vertically, we can use this dot method. It's very simple. Whatever the digit is given in the divisor, that many dots we have to put in one row. We should not exceed beyond that divisor. Here the divisor is 5, so only 5 dots in one row. Then we have to form another row. Again 5 dots. Same way till 20. Whatever the dividend is given, here the dividend is what? 20. So till 20 we keep on putting dots. So from 5 till 20. But in one row it should be only 5. So we have formed 5 dots in each row, total 4 rows. So our answer is 4. It means we got the quotient 4. 20 divided by 5 is 4. Let's see one more example of the same. Here we have the another sum of the same type using the dots. Divide the sum using the dots. Sum is 12 divided by 4. Now, as I explained first that whatever the digit is given in the divisor, that many dots we have to put in one row. Here the 4 is the divisor, correct? So, put 4 dots in one row. Then the first row has 4 dots. Second row also has 4 dots. And the third row again has the 4 dots. Correct. So how many rows we have formed? Correct. 3 rows are formed. So our answer is 3. 12 divided by 4 is 3. These are the basic knowledge about the division. In third standard, second standard, we have studied all these 4 new terms, that is dividend, divisor and quotient, remainder. Correct. Now, with the help of the vertical division, you will come to know what is called dividend, divisor, quotient and the remainder. Let's see. Okay, I have to divide a number 64 divided by 2. Correct. First we have to draw the straight line and the curved line. This is compulsory when we are solving vertically. Then you have to place the dividend, that is 64. Then the number to be divided by is 2. 2 is the divisor. Now, this way, after placing the digits, after placing the sum, we have to start our division. 64 divided by 2. Now, for this, first we have to see that we are taking the first digit of the division, that is 6, right? So, you have to say the table of 2. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, and 2 threes are 6. Yes, 6 comes in table of 2. So, I will take 2 threes are. 2 threes are what, students? Yes, 6. Then, place it down. 6 minus 6 is 0. Now, after solving this, we have to bring this 4 down. Correct? So, 2 twos are 4. Again, we have to subtract it. 4 minus 4 is 0. Yes, students, this is the division sum. Divide vertically. It's so easy. You have to say the tables and you have to start solving the sum. Here, we have got the answer 32. Whichever the answer, in the quotient we get the number, that is our answer. Correct. This is called the quotient. This is dividend and this is remainder. Yes, students. And the next is divisor. These four terms, quotient, dividend, remainder and divisor. Quotient is always the answer and whatever is left, that is called the remainder. But writing this quotient and remainder is must. After solving the sum, you have to write down the quotient and the remainder. More example of the same. Now, second sum is 79 divided by 3. Here as you can see that 79 is a dividend and 3 is the divisor. So, we have to draw the first sign for placing the digits. Yes, 79 is a dividend. Then 3 is a divisor. After placing the number, we have to begin with our operation, that is division. We have to say the table of 3 till 7. Oh, but in 3 table 7 does not come. So what we can do is, we can take the smaller number. Why so? Because if we'll take the bigger number, it means bigger than 7, then we cannot subtract it. Correct? So always we need to take the smaller number. That is 3 twos are 6. Correct. So 6 can be subtract from 7. So 7 minus 6 is 1. Yes. Then you have to bring this next digit, that is 9, down. Yes, bring this 9 down next to 1. Yes, now what number we have got it? 19. Now again we have to say the table of 3. But 19 comes in table of 3. Let me check. 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9, 3 fours are 12, 3 fives are 15, 3 six are 18 and 3 sevens are 21. No, 19 is not coming. So instead of taking 21, we should take 3 six are 18. Why so? Because number should be smaller than that given number, that is 19 and 18. 18 can be subtracted from 19. We are getting answer 0, 1. Yes, my sum is completed here. Further, no digit is left. 79, both the digits, we brought it down and we solved the sum. Now, the time to identify what is quotient. Yes, the answer is called quotient. Then, this is what? Dividend. Correct. Then, 3 is a divisor. and the last what is left is called the remainder. Now the sum is not yet over. Why so? Oh, you have forgotten one thing, that you have to write down the quotient and the remainder. In short, you can write Q dot 26 and the remainder, for remainder you can write R dash 1. Yes, this is called the complete sum. Let's see another example. Here 1 is left. Last sum 0 was left. Let's see another type. Oh, our third sum is 90 divided by 3. Correct. Here the number is already placed, that is 90. Then outside we have to place 3 in the divisor place. 3 threes are 9. After subtracting 9 from 9 we are getting 0. And next step should be we have to bring that 0 down. Yes students, don't stop your calculation here, because bringing this 0 down is must. Correct. So then again we have to take the 3 zeros are 0. Then after subtraction, correct, the remainder is 0. Now final answer, that is quotient is equal to 30 and remainder is 0. Then my sum is over. One more sum of the same type, that is 40 divided by 4. Now here you can see 40 is written in the dividend place, 4 placed in the divisor place. Correct. Now 4 ones are is 4. Then 4 minus 4 is 0. The next step is bringing 0 down. The sum is not over here. Why so? Because 0 0, this last 0 that which we have brought it down, that we have to subtract again from 0. That is 4 zeros are 0. Yes, now 0 0 is the remainder. Correct students. Then you can cross check your answer by multiplying the 10 fours are 40. Yes, if we will not multiply by 0, like 4 zeros are 0, if we will not take this step, then our answer is wrong, because 4 ones are is only 4, but it should be 40, because in the dividend place the number is given 40. So bringing 0 down and then again subtracting from 0 is must. Then finally you can write quotient is 10 and remainder is 0. Now let's check how much you all have understood. Let's try to fill the boxes. In this only you have to just guess what is 10, what is 40 is called, 4 is called what, and 0 is called what. Just recall your memory and try to give the answer. Yes, it's a homework time. These are the homework sums. You can see the 10 sums have been given to you, okay, as a homework. You will have to copy these sums in your rough notebook and keep practicing the division sums. Keep learning something new, students.